Leo, this is your channel messages for the 27th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Leo, we're going straight into your channel. And so, Mini Citrus presenting the most incredible Disney princess, Millie Citrus. Red cups and sweaty bodies everywhere, hands in the air like we don't care, cause we came to have so much fun now. Bet somebody in here might get some now. If you're not ready to go home, can I get a hell no? Cause we're going all night till we see the sunlight. Alright, so da-da-da-da-dee. We like to party, dancing with Molly, doing whatever we want. This is home first house, this is their rules, but we can't stop, and we won't stop. Can you see who's on the nights? Can you see who is about that life? And we can't stop, and we won't stop. We run things, things don't run we. Don't take nothing from nobody. Yeah, yeah. It's our house, we can do what we want. It's Kennedy's house, we can say what we want. It's home first house, we can do what we want. Do what we want. Home first, home first. Okay. That's what I say. What? Are you fucking serious? We're in a fucking tin plane with a crying baby. Sir, I understand what you're saying, sir, but you're really loud and you're yelling. So is the baby. Man, did the baby pay premium for motherfucking yelling? Okay. All right, so let's go. Because we can't stop and we won't stop. So cute. We run things. See, I'm homeless, but I have nice gadgets. It's not about where you live. It's which Dollarama you live near. Let's go ahead and go to your reading. We are going into your connecting to your spirit guides reading. Okay, let's go ahead and get an overall message for you, and then we're going to go ahead and go into your reading, Leo. We have the Knight of Cups actually. So we got a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man here being your ancestor that we're connecting to. I'm getting an uncle, it could be a brother. All right, I'm getting something about your pastor. Your pastor passed away. Something about your pastor. What is the message? What card represents your guide? We have a Six of Pentacles. So I'm getting help is on the way, or I'm getting you may not have enough, but you'll never be without. Okay? So your guys want to tell you that you have help, accept donations. Maybe this is a time in your life where for the first time you're on your back, you're on your face. I'm getting accept help from the fucking government. Let me tell you something. I am a testimony. Had I not accepted help from the government, right? People could have called me a welfare cow. People could have called me a social assistance monkey. They could have called me any single thing they want. But let me tell you something. Had I not decided to lower my ego, do what I had to do in the time I had to do it, and accept welfare, I am telling you, my tits wouldn't be this stiff. My tits would not be this. Today, I would have been stressed out living with a man who stressed me the fuck out. Did not know that I had options. I had fucking options. He think that because he married me, I had no options. Sweetie, remember, so when you marry me, you signed one NDA with the government. So if you don't love me, 311 will. The government will. I remember you tell the government. Remember say you did tell you fucker, oh no, you're the dirty. Oh, I see what happened in this shit. Oh, motherfucker. Remember, so when you marry me and bring me here, you bring me here on a spousal sponsorship, and you told the government that you would have been responsible for me for at least 3 to 5 years, which means I should not have been on basic needs, and I should not have been on Ontario Works. Now, even though we don't know this information now, I don't know why nobody in the office never even thought about this. Maybe because now help him. When I helping him. Only helping him like come want help Mr. Wellet from Joel. Mr. Wellet come when Norman come when that right? So if you don't love me, the government let me tell you something. If you don't love me, let me tell you something. Federal and provincial tax will love me. You should know that. You should know that. You think it's my loss? You think it's my loss? It's the government's gain, okay? So yeah, accept help. I know it's not the best. You don't want to do that. You weird. You broke. That's how broke people feed themselves. Homeless. You broke, right? I know it's weird, but girl, if me never do it, girl, I would not be so happy. I would not be so happy. Je suis célèbre, je suis content, je me suis formidable. I did not know a life like this could have existed. I thought I would have been confined to a man who wasn't treating me right, and I did not have an option to show him what the fuck was up. And the government helped me show him what the fuck was up, because the government did have my back at least when they want left him. Now, I don't know if them have my front different on sale. Maybe my front is for sale, but the government did have my back. So at least they gave me the option to say, you know what, go back right now, it's okay, you can sleep here. Let's go ahead again. The message your guides would like to give you in this moment is the Knight of Pentacles. Me getting something is building up for you though. So you might be living day to day. Every 2 days you have to get money. Me getting it, something build up though. This could be somebody that help you out and them start to go fund me for you. And you see that year, but you still like get the help, you know. You still like get a little help, little help. You see that year, they might get one check. They might get one big money. They might say, you know, so we've been saving this for you, because we know you don't have it. So do not be unappreciative of the little you get now. Because you don't know behind your back, you have a group of people that try to organize something for you bigger. So don't be unappreciative and do not be greedy. Because you never have nothing, remember. So you cannot be saying, oh, it's so much people, them couldn't raise enough money. You are broke. You never have money. That's why I don't understand people who win lotto. Okay, you win lotto, now you're rich. Okay, but you never have money one day ago. So why all of a sudden you change? Why all of a sudden things go on? People think money change people. People always, they think that to me too. They say, when you start, money will change you. When you start, can I go change you? When you start, when you have money, money will change you. Sir, nothing go so. Money don't change me. Me a money changer. From your this, it a danger. But come on for own a car. And for live in a skyscraper. Money don't change we. And we are money changer. You should know that. So be careful. I'm just asking you, whenever you have your ideologies, be sure that you're not speaking to a Jamaican. Because remember, we don't come from where you come from. How can you be more open to the messages? The Page of Cups. Me getting you already are. You're exactly like the man who's trying to help you. Him is the king, you are the page. Me getting the only difference is he's younger than you or he's more mature. But I'm getting you're very grateful. You should. This is the type of man who, me getting like him start to go fund me behind your back, give the money and you end up there with him. Me getting him here, him helping you, then he might give something bigger. And for some reason, me getting like you want to sleep with him, or you're there with him, you want there with him now, or something like that. I don't know, man, I don't know. And let's see what is this guide helping you with. The Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords back is to the Page of Cups though. If that's not it, me getting something about you and the mother of the child, you and the mother of this boy. Me getting you want Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Your son is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Your mother is a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini woman. So she not talk to your father. Me getting she not talk to your father because your father don't give her no money. Me getting your father actually he have a secret account. Your father actually have money. Your father has him whole life. Him decide say me not gonna spend nothing, me gonna live like me don't have no money. Maybe him don't have no money, but me getting him was a very, very good hoarder and he used to hoard money. Him never hoard clothes, maybe he used to hoard things, shit too. But me getting somebody have a huge ass savings account. Well, not huge, because it's the Knight. It's not the King of Pentacles, it's not the Ten of Pentacles. But me getting at least over 10 grand. Somebody have. So me getting the father going to give the son the money behind the mother back. But the argument was, maybe the argument was you can't support me. I ask you for money and not give me. I get it because the man never want to give the money. He might never say why you need to spend money. You can spend money on hair, makeup, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, use mine, right? He probably said that to you. So I'm getting a break up with him or you left him. But me getting him have a fucking bigger savings account than the son name. Me getting him not gonna deal with the mother. He's not dealing with the mother. He might get the money to the son, maybe the son older now. Let's get some of these and we'll leave it there. We have phone number. We have cleanse your space. What the? And I am that motherfucker back there. That motherfucker back there. He's not real. No. The moon card. Cancer. Pisces, sorry. I was innocent. No. Bright future. Okay, I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.